Here I am again, guys. Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 70 Plymouth Roadrunner. It's now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth and USB. This comes from my friends at Zakira's Garage in Blue Ash, Ohio. This is like at least the third or fourth job they've sent me. So thank you so much for your repeat business from a high-profile car restoration shop. And so we're going to test everything out and make sure it all works before we send it back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area.
You know, Brian, the way I articulate that.
Oh, and incidentally, this customer requested that the conversion be wired to the original connector, so there's only 2 speaker outputs. Therefore, there won't be any front-rear fader, just a left-right balance. So let's go ahead and crank this back up.
One has a racist connotation. Stop
all right, check our speakers. Balance,
and leverage
right,
the moniker
balance left,
Republican, and
right,
understand what content
left,
comes behind that phrase.
righty.
What you mean by that? So it's all
okay,
about.
let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Because that's the answer.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick. I got my radio commercial somewhere.
Connotation to it.
Okay, there's my radio commercial coming through.
In the 1960s, when
classic ride, got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar, and all my tapes run slow too. Radio smoking, 8-track that's broken. What can I do? Send it to 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center. 8-track repair center.com.
Alrighty.
With the racist Democrat.
That song I could play in its entirety because I wrote it and I own the copyright. How many times have you heard that from a YouTuber? Yes, I am the official copyright holder for that song you just heard. Okay. Oh, and there's another little bit of a dubious distinction I have too. I've just recently learned from one of my customers that I have been mentioned in a book. It's an actual paperback book. It has an ISBN number. It's an actual publisher release. The book is called, I think it's called 8-Track, the First Mobile App. I don't know what is said about me. My customer just told me that some of my quotes were stated in that book. I don't know anything about it. I don't have the book, but if you know, that, I guess that's my little bit of key to stardom there. Unfortunately, I'm too busy to enjoy my so-called stardom, but it's nice to know that someone else has recognized me. So let's get back to the radio here. You're still on AM.
People are feeling the
So now we're going to go to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Just run it across the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
La mies es mucha y los obreros.
A lot of credit as a parent.
This is what character in the toy.
Can't quit now.
Actions people that
LEVIN.
fellow Americans. Jason.
Sunny to partly cloudy and
Crusoe, New York, you know. About the effect that dental material.
Hasta la tipografía y el...
Okay, so we picked up quite a few FM stations there. Let's go ahead and try the 8-track. Okay, between songs there. Okay, pull out the tape, radio comes back. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order before calling me, then it'll be like a 3-minute conversation instead of a 15-minute conversation, which keeps me off the bench a little bit too long. I really hope that you guys will do your research, finding out my prices, options, and turn times and all that from the website and the work order. That way, when you call me, it's just like a last-minute question that I failed to mention on my website or something like that, instead of a 15-minute thing that keeps me off the bench a little bit too long. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you again to my friends at Zakira's Garage for the repeat business, and we'll see you guys next time.